welcome to another series of just a morning video from me. This is for getyourrestaurant.com people who are interested in opening their own restaurant. And I am actually at the swimming pool area of my resort. You can check it. Whoa! Say what? This is the poolside area where the guests at my resort come and have fun. And the resort, I'm able to build such a beautiful resort only because of running a successful restaurant. So today I'm going to give you three beautiful nuggets which you have to keep in mind while you are planning to open a restaurant. So if you have these three things, this will really give you attitude of the owners is one of the most important things while you are planning to open a restaurant. How you think as a owner, you have to think from a long term perspective. You have to think from the customers or the guests point of view also. You cannot take just the normal immediate or temporary view of the whole business. So you have to think from that angle. The attitude of the owners is one of the most important things which I think is it can make or break a restaurant. The second and the most important thing is your team. So you need to have a beautiful team. I have a very good team here, and a team getting a team doesn't happen overnight. You have to pick them like diamonds from a mine, and you have to train them, you have to groom them, and then they become a team. My team now in the resort as well as the restaurant has been with me for a minimum of 20 to 25 years. So I've been picking up good people, retaining them, paying them well, taking care of them as far as on the job also, off the job also. If they have any problems, they come to me. I solve it out. I try to solve it out actually. Money problem or medical problem or whatever is there, I can refer them a good doctors and all that stuff. So these all things matter. You have to care for your team, then the team will care for you. That is the second thing, and the third and the most important thing is the capital. You have to keep your restaurant with enough money to float around. So you cannot just, as I always teach all my people, you cannot just blow up all your money just to make your restaurant. So you have to keep your a little bit of liquid in your restaurant so that the restaurant runs smoothly, the vendors are paid properly, bills and everything, salaries are paid on time. So that is these three nuggets if you put in your mind and if you execute them well, you will be able to run a profitable restaurant. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye bye.